Get this go back.
Hey everybody, thank you for tuning in to my video. This is a video that is in participation with two different challenges. The first one is Trash to Treasure with Casey from Coffee with My Sunshine, and her host is Adair. And also this is a collaboration with Natalie from Design to the Nine for the Girls Can Use Power Tools challenge, and her host is Ashleigh Lauren. I want to thank all four of these ladies for hosting this challenge, and I'll have their links in the description box and a link to the playlist. Thank you so much.